Hi everyone, my name is Rosie William. I am a program leader at George Manet School for the Adelanto School District team. I'm going to make a fun kitten puppet. You could draw it, your favorite character puppet. You can color it and then cut it out. Material that you will need: glue, scissors, crayons, or markers, and a paper bag. I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. First, you take your paper bag, then you're going to glue the body of the kitten puppy, just like this. Then you're going to glue the head, just like this. Then finally, you are going to glue the tail in the back of the paper bag, just like this. Then when you finish, I'm going to show you how it's going to look like, just like this. And then you could use it. I could just make a puppet show. Hi, my name is Kitten Koi. How you doing? Fine. Thank you. All right. Thank you. I hope you have fun making your favorite character puppet. Thank you. Bye-bye.